Snap-on Wednesday, bitches.
I was gonna say, you know what fucking day it is? We haven't done one of these in a while, so let's gotta make up for it, man. Gotta make up for not having Snap-on Wednesdays for like a fucking month and a half.
Who put that there?
I know. Chucky. She's good. She's good.
I noticed, though, you guys are leaving a spot between the Mustang and the Challenger for me to park.
Well, no, it's just they don't get along very well.
No, they fight.
The Stang and the Challenger just don't get along. They fight. I'm afraid there's going to be some kind of fight. Tyler?
You're doing awesome?
Yeah, why not?
I'm glad to hear that. What's up, my
yeah.
brother?
Hell yeah. How's it going?
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
So wow. You sure got some fans going on back here.
Tyler's only got one fan. It's me.
So,
And all of
Only
the,
one?
all of the internet. Are you buying something, Jordan? Some new sockets? You need some new
I
sockets?
got a set of quarters.
Oh, those quarters. What are they? Are they?
Metric.
Oh yeah.
The kind that we use.
Yeah. Kind that we use.
Yeah.
Metric.
Yeah. What kind? The kind we use.
Feels like it's been a while since I did a Snap on Wednesday. It's because I had.
Sorry, there's a box in the aisle. My place is messy.
That's all right.
There's a Mac torque wrench on the ground.
Where's the?
That's where it belongs,
Right
isn't it?
there. Yeah, that's where it belongs.
That?
That's where it belongs, right?
I didn't say that.
Yeah. Aren't you supposed to like carry this in every day and be like, "Hey guys, this is what's new on the truck"?
Yeah.
Instead, you just got a bunch of old crusty old plug tools, plug wire pullers.
Sell them cheap.
You sell them cheap. It's because no one has plug wires anymore. Somebody trade them in for something else or what?
It was a package deal.
They look pretty used.
And that's what's left. That and the brake caliper tool. A couple of miscellaneous sockets.
Oh yeah.
Junk.
I have that. I have this one. It's a nice one.
So is there a reason you'd want that over the point-click laser
Well,
type?
this is a thermometer. You can just stick it in the vent and let her sit there.
Oh, I see.
I mean, I use my thermal imager for that most of the time now, but
Great tool.
yeah, it's the way she goes.
Find a new use for it every week, I think.
Everybody should have one.
I know, I think so too. Rob's got an old one, the thermal, the first series. Tell him to trade up.
Aren't those cute?
They're spring-loaded and everything.
Yeah.
Fucking A.
Good for
I always
little,
like all the little pliers. Can never have enough pliers.
No
Like sockets and extensions and everything else.
ratchets. That's my motto on ratchets. Pliers the same thing though, I think. So battery tester, what do we got? Anything?
If you want an integrated printer,
Yeah.
we have one model for you.
What's that?
What is it?
Yeah.
Part number? EECS 750A. That help?
Sounded
Do you have one on the truck?
Sounded awesome, Tyler.
I don't actually. I've got one model down from it, but you'd have to use an infrared printer, or a dongle on a PC or something.
Okay. I had the EECS, whatever which one it was. I can't remember now. I used to have the last one with the integrated printer.
The 500.
Couple years. Yeah, that's the one. A couple years ago, I used to have it.
The 750 is the replacement for that one.
Yeah. What?
I have too many jokes on rethreading spark plug holes.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Huh.
Spark plug hole rethreaders?
If you need one, you should probably not be a mechanic.
Threading kit. Say that again?
Said if you need one, you probably shouldn't be a mechanic.
Oh man.
Did I say that?
It depends on why, I guess.
Yeah, when someone else fucked it up.
These metric spark plug rethreading kit.
Cool.
Yeah. This one goes down inside the spark plug tubes too. So it goes down.
Well, they look more
It's-
like
it's
they're
meant
chasing the threads,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
rethreading.
Well, it's a rethreader, yeah. So,
Oh,
it's, like
so-
it's like a chaser, yeah.
Okay.
Well, that reminds me, I gotta
I acquired
I gotta
my,
replace one of my thread chasers.
I acquired my pressure washer that
You
day.
what?
My neighbor pulled his spark plug out of his pressure washer
Oh,
3 weeks after he got it,
yeah.
and then cross-threaded it in and
Nice.
left it on the street. And I walk over there, I'm like, thanks, man. Fixed it up. It's like, fuck.
If you can get something for free, that's the way to do it, right?
Yeah, it's brand new, man.
Yeah.
Well, what are you getting today, Joel?
I gotta replace a bit for my rethreading tool.
Oh, that one
My
that's
rethreading
snapped.
kit, the one that snapped, yeah. Snapped a rethreader. Sorry,
Sigh.
find out which one it is, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know which one it is.
No, I'll get it. I'll show it to you. I can't remember which one it was either. Yeah. So other than that, everything's
Did you ever
cool.
see the gunmetal gray cordless tools?
Not in
That
person.
color?
Not in person. You got some?
Pardon me, excuse me. Pretty cool color. Not in
Come over
person,
this way.
he says.
Yeah, no, I should not.
We've all seen
And
the
how
yellow,
much will,
the
how
yellow,
much will
the
it cost
green,
me
and the
to
orange.
trade all my red in? Oh, that's a nice color. When it gets dirty, you don't have to fucking
It
clean
won't
it.
look dirty. I love those. I use Joel's long handle one. I love it.
The long neck.
I'm sold on them anyways. That's a future
Shall I get one for you today?
in the future, my friend.
The
Too
bags-
easy.
the
I'd
bags
take
are
everything off your truck and you know it.
One day, just not today. Most of the 14 Ford tools, if not all now, are available
Yeah.
in gunmetal gray.
Well, that's
How
good.
much to trade everything in? That's a conversation.
It's a conversation I probably shouldn't have, considering
You do have
considering I just
You have
fucking
one
traded
red
my
handle
truck in.
left. You have one red handle left on your screwdrivers.
On
And
my
one of your pry
screwdrivers.
bars.
Oh yeah.
Looked at it. Wait, why is that red?
Oh yeah, I think I have one. I think it's old.
Oh.
I think.
It's the Hot Rod Challenger.
I'm gonna pull a Jesse
Yeah.
and pick out the Jesus fuck.
Jesus fuck.
You could hurt someone with that.
That's the
thing.
surf and turf. Fillet your fish or cut your steak. What do you want to do?
Yeah.
Or shave.
Well, I don't know.
It's a-
You
it's a-
try it first.
It's a nice blade.
It is nice. It's a long.
Well, I see Jesse on Instagram, so he's not dead yet.
Well, that's fun.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah. Yeah. He's out in the Yukon for 2 weeks. He's got a
Dog
week
collars.
left.
Oh,
Yeah, I think you showed me those. I don't think I
No,
I don't think I made any video in the last couple of weeks.
Does
But
it go this big?
And it doesn't fit my
Or
little
maybe
rat
I did.
dog either.
yeah,
I don't know if it goes big enough for my dog. Tuck.
we have one more filming session with my dog today at the end of the day. So and then I'm done. We got a couple of little screenshots. Did I show you the screenshots?
Ozzy will
Fucking
be
cool.
rehabbed.
Yeah. Well, it's a work in progress, man.
He's
It's-
got a face for video, though. I'll tell you.
Oh, dude,
He's
totally.
cute.
What, he likes it?
Well, he's just so photogenic. Just like you.
Hopefully more so than me.
then there's me, face for radio.
Face for radio.
And Jordan.
Just
Okay,
Jordan.
Just Jordan, yeah. Yeah.
I don't know. Watching your videos is always very odd.
Watching yourself?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm used to it now.
I watch it. I'm like, did I really sound like that?
Yeah.
Your voice never sounds the same
Yeah,
when you're
I
hearing
had
it.
to.
No.
I had to get over that one. I had to get over that.
I sound like an idiot.
Oh, come on now.
Just derp, derp, derp.
Custom burger press.
Well, it's that time of the year now, right?
Can you stick salmon in there?
Between
Oh shit, can you stick salmon?
I got
Yeah,
fucking
you could
50
probably-
pounds of salmon in my
You could probably press
sure,
fucking
you can
salmon
make yourself
burger.
a fish burger.
yeah, fish.
And it goes right along with
Yeah.
the chicken roasting pan.
Oh, you put your beer in there?
Yep, beer can chicken. My wife calls it a butthole chicken.
Yep.
You know, seems kind of weird to me, but
I always felt bad shoving a whole beer can.
and
up
magnetic
his ass.
cozies. Or, as our American friends call them, coolies.
Coolies.
Which actually makes more sense because
It does,
keeping a
actually.
beverage cold.
Yeah.
And you can actually like hold a beer in it when off the magnet. That's fucking awesome.
Yeah. So you can stick
Something
it,
I
stick
noticed
it,
is-
stick it right to your toolbox.
Something
Yeah.
I noticed is
Yeah.
a full beer can fits upright in my top drawer just perfectly.
I think that was.
How did you find this out, Jordan?
I don't know. This
That a beer can
conversation's for
fits.
another day, guys.
We have never drank at work.
Hopefully
Well,
your bosses
on work-
don't watch the program.
Yeah, well, on work hours. That's a no-no. But after work, we have had a beer in the shop. Why not? Not gonna lie about that.
New Cool Max shirts,
Oh yeah,
dry fit or whatever you want to call them.
that's for a big boy. That one. Look at that wide neck. Oh, 2XL, yeah.
Yeah, my size.
Tyler's like, fucking guys. Jeez.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave now. Yeah, all right.
You will find that any article of clothing that is hung up for display purposes
It's your
will
size.
be my size.
Perfect.
Well, if somebody comes that had dirty hands and
Yeah,
does one of these, I can't sell it now,
yeah.
but I can wear it.
That makes sense.
Don't tell me.
I'm not little.
I will find a use for this thing.
No, you won't.
No, I won't. You put sockets on it for something.
It displays the difference between a regular socket and a flank drive extra socket.
Ah.
I know how it works.
And even though there's lots of haters out there, another disciple this morning was using them. And he had regular sockets and everything was slipping. And he grabbed his FDX socket and
Yep.
pulled it out, no problem.
So that one's, this one, the one that fits a lot tighter is,
I know. I made a video.
And you got hated for it.
oh, did you?
I got a lot of love for it too, though.
So if you look,
At the gap
this is a
is a
regular
lot
one.
more.
So if you look at where the little black mark shows up, over here, it's easier.
Oh,
That's the
okay.
contact point where your socket is hitting the fastener.
From the edge, yeah.
So that's where it is. So mental note of where that is. FDX socket. See how it's farther down the side?
Yeah. So more contact or more surface area.
Yeah, farther down the sides there's a lot more material to bite.
Nice.
That's how even though the audience doesn't like the prop, think it's rigged. The rounded off bolt and spins in a regular socket, and it does not spin in the flank drive extra socket
See, that's what I tried showing.
because the
So they just
contact
fucked
point
right up.
moves so much farther down the side.
Yep.
Or easier to see if this was a flank drive extra socket, and it is not.
Everyone asks about this prop, by the way. What's up?
This is to demonstrate
Oh, okay.
on a large scale how flank drive works. So instead of the tip of the fastener being the contact point, it's down here. And you can tell from all the wear marks.
Yeah.
So the pressure is not on the corner. That's what that does. Now, in the case of Flank Drive Extra, the pressure point is moved even farther. Yeah, people always ask
Everyone
what that's
asks
about.
about that all the time. They're like, is that a garbage can? I need to get me one of those. And I'm like, no, it's a prop. And then... Right.
That's what it's for, because it's hard to see on something small.
Yeah.
Whereas on this, it demonstrates it very clearly how the point fits into the corners.
Fucking cool.
Yeah. Well, apparently Hunter's waiting for us to...
Oh, Hunter's back?
New wheel
Hunter,
alignment
they're
machine.
waiting for us to show us the new alignment machine. So we should probably head into the shop.
Fine. See you, Mr. Foreman.
All right. Cool.
Have a good,
Yeah, we'll see you later.
have a good one.
Have
Ciao.
a good day.
Keep living the dream.
All right. All right, guys.
Service line 1, please. Service line 1.
All right. So we got to go run in, and we just got a new alignment machine today. So I'm going to take you through a shop tour in the next couple of days too. New brake lathe, new alignment machine soon, a new brake lathe soon. So we're getting it on car and all that stuff. So part of being the shop foreman, I've kind of kind of pushed some things, and we've kind of fast tracked a bunch of tools that we needed. So anyway, I have to run in, so no more. I'm not going to do any shop stuff today.
TJ or Christine to service, please. TJ or Christine to service, thank you.
So anyway, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed Snap on Wednesday. It's good to be back. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I'll see you next week. Thanks.